What's your real name?
Slater.
Two-tone Glock and it's customized. Baby chopper when we came from the Russian guy. Stay in the trap, no you can't come inside. Standing.
He grabbed the gun. The fight breaks out 5-on-5 in LA, man. Hey, bro, let's see what happens. That's great. Might not be clickbait. Yo, what's up, bro? God damn, you know what I'm saying? Talk to me. This computer is ass. My frame dropped.
We're here though. We're here, right here.
Dropped.
We're right here.
Damn. Air ball. Talk to me. Alright.
Shit is easy, bro. Come on. Did y'all hear what he said? I'm not worried about that. But did you do the same thing? I'm not worried about that. Bro, you said fuck that. If he makes it, you check up.
Oh, shit. Hey, Jay talking. Was that Cam? Oh. Yo. Yo, why he look so mad, bro? Oh shit, they scattering. Oh yeah, they scattering. Yeah, they scattering.
What's the word, fellas? It's your boy Drifty J. We back at it with another video.
Well, you're not Drifty J.
Yeah, bro, life is great, dog. I've been feeling great, looking great. A lot
Who
better.
Who's this? I mean, I know who you are, but you're not Drifty J.
And we finna turn shit up on bro. Zone 6 shit, you know?
You're alright, bro.
There he is.
Yeah.
I was confused for a second.
I'm just playing, but I don't know who the fuck that was. That just did my intro.
It's that
Who
TikTok.
the fuck is that?
I'm drifting.
You're not drifting.
I'm literally just
It's the guy that
What the
thinks he lives in the hood.
penis? Oh, well,
What?
alright. Basically, we're doing a park takeover.
Okay,
Finally
what
in
you
LA,
want, bro?
bro, on the West Coast. We about to go crazy. Look who's right here, bro. Just look. LeBron James' cousin.
What?
LeBron James' long lost
Nah, that was
cousin.
even funny.
But yeah, 2 o'clock, man. It's gonna get live. We're going crazy, bro. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and we gonna jump right into this video, bro. I'm about to be mic'd up again, like the last one. So
Y'all like the goddamn video, bitch?
Damn, boy,
Man, we
back
just got
up.
to the park. It's looking a little deep right now. I ain't gonna lie. I'll
Damn.
see you guys when we get a little closer. But, hey, man, we here.
6 feet.
Zone 6, we ready. It's time to get these buckets, bro. I'm locked in. I was listening to my music.
Locked in.
My money bag, yo. My dirt. It's time to go crazy,
Hey,
bro.
Dirk, do the thing.
Basketball
Yeah.
episode. This is the last one of the
Who y'all think got the
first
best
basketball
hype music,
episode.
bro?
As y'all see, we got some
Firstly,
special
it's
guests.
either Young Boy or Polo, man. Even he and Dirk, to be honest.
All right, the park is pretty deep right now. I ain't gonna
Boy
lie.
does trick.
Just look at that, bro. We live.
Yeah, you got clout. Hey, okay. See you, my boy. That boy got clout. Okay. All right.
Are you gonna go crazy out here today?
Oh, shit, it's Kenny.
I just need one clip.
Buffet.
One clip, bro, for the gram.
Hey. Hey, oh. I didn't know he had ops like that. Oh, shit. Oh, what the yo, wow, bro. What the, come on, Jay. Nah, what's up? Nah, what's up? Like, before the game starts, why everybody got bounce, bro? Everybody just got bounce. Like, you just pulling out they pocket and just putting it on, bro. Like, as if it's just equipment. Like, what the, like, you know what I'm saying? He just bought it at the store or something, bro. For $4.99. Oh, yeah. Okay. Nah, that's tough. Hey, okay, alright. Is that Spider-Man? Yo. Halloween passed a long time ago, buddy. Take that costume off. Watch that be the professor, though. I don't know what he was trying to do. Hang out. Okay, like, alright. Shit, I heard that break all the way. Oh,
That's me.
No, we can't call everything, bro. Oh, he called foul or what?
Call foul?
So what?
yeah, I don't know.
It's not foul, no foul, and one? Okay.
Alright, it's 2-0. You got V-Lone shirt. Damn, tough hezzy, but not good finish. Nigga think he Kobe. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Hey. Oh. Shot. Hey, that's side.
That boy lengthy. A lot of lengthy dudes, bro. Like, you just be lengthy, bro. Niggas need to be playing Division 1. Playing Division Street.
He's out. Say that side now. We drop.
I use that same move.
No. Fuck no.
Bang out. Hey.
Foul, bro. Where's the foul at? You fouled him? B.
Airball. Hey.
That side. Drop. Right here. That's us too, right? Oh.
Man, if it wasn't for that crowd, bro, that ball would have been sent. Okay.
Hey!
What's up with the audio, bro? Hey. Alright. Good pass. Good pass.
This shit is way too
What's that?
easy, bro. Come on. No, you gotta pass in. Oh. We checked.
That ball was hit me in my face. Damn, I heard that.
Hey, go back. Hey, top.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? I respect it though. He moved.
Oh, give me
Oh
that.
my gosh.
Come on. I know I got good hands, bro. I got good hands, bro.
That's first thing 999, bro. And they're all PGs, bro.
We're here though. Right here. We're right here. That weak ass jump shot.
Airball, bro.
Pick it up.
Yo, that boy flew, bro. What the? Nah, that boy says Superman. Hey. Oh my God, look like Duke Menace. Yeah, I said it.
My God. Hey, you gotta see that cut.
A lot of breaks. They only made a single shot. I think it was more just with layups. Talk to me, Cam. Oh, damn. Good lay.
Hey, Kim.
Damn. Nah, what's up, man? Y'all need to chill out. You know what I'm saying? Bro, like this has been bricks. Damn, nah, ain't no way, boy. Bro, your hand was literally at the rim. There's no way you miss. Your ass. I'm sorry.
You bitch.
There's not a single three-pointer has been made. What's up
Hold the
with
screen
audio?
out.
Talk to me, Jay. Yes, sir.
Shit is easy, bro. Come on.
I know.
I don't know why you let me shoot.
They're working 9 to 5.
Hey, what's that? What's scoring? 9 what?
I got middle.
Drop, Kim. You have to drop.
Okay, alright.
Okay, bro, I got
Mismatch.
Damn. Can you get that?
My gosh.
9-7, right?
Damn, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I like it. Delay.
9-8.
Man, that would have been freaking awesome, man. That was freaking radical, bro. Nah, that was freaking tubular. What the? No. You see that? Dude. What the? That was freaking awesome. That was actually freaking amazing. Bro, oh my gosh, that was hard. Another one. Oh, you smoked it. That's tough.
Hey.
Bro, what's up with the cameraman, my guy? What you recording, bro? Yo, put the camera down. My man, what you doing? Oh. Hey. I was recording the fences. Talk to me. Clear lane. Alright, W put back.
Hey! We didn't even check up. We didn't check up nothing. No, we didn't. Okay. No, because if y'all. No.
Bro, I hate when they do that, bro.
If you just said a man's checked up, so if you would have no, that's us.
You know what I'm saying? Kind of finesse.
He said you checked up. Hey, did y'all hear what he said? I'm not worried about that.
But did you do the same thing?
I'm not worried about that.
He said check.
No. I said, he said, no, fuck that. Fuck that, your man's checked up. Fuck that, your man's checked up. Bro, I promise you. He said, fuck that, your man's checked up. So if he would have made it, it would have been a game,
bro,
right?
Like, come on, bro.
Bro, you said, fuck that. If he makes it, you checked up. Hey, come out. Hey, we up one. Hey, no, we up one. It was 10-11.
I'm still here.
It's 12-11. 12-11. Go back. Get back. Back up.
Come on, Jay. Clamp up. Locks. Yeah, another one. Oh, damn.
Oh, he got it. Oh, drop. Right coming. Drop.
Dolph. That nigga jumped all the way to the air mark. I hate that.
It's win by two.
Come on, tee up. Gosh. Yo, what the f? This ain't. Nah, this is street ball. Ain't no way. What the hell? These dudes is competing, bro. He is competing. This day is competing.
Pull my whole shit out, bro.
What's up? Oh! Yo! This guy wants problems. Look at this guy smiling. This guy wants problems, bro. You see this, man? Man, it's like, nah, who wants some? Oh, what even happened? Yo! Ooh. This guy is pissed. I don't know what happened, but he's pissed, bro. Yo! Almost back kiss. Oh shit, Cam. What's going on, bro? Man, let me see. Hey, move out the way, bro. What's up? What's going on, bro? Oh shit. Yo, that's a. But what is going on, bro? Where's the context? There's a dude on the fence. Yo. Dang. Yo. That porch is dark. What is up? What's going on? What the? Okay, Jay, you was not clicking. Oh, nah. Get out. Get out. Run.
Hey, go to the court. Go to the court. Go to the court. Oh, where's Lou?
Get out. Adrenaline. Adrenaline.
Hey, where's J. Lou at? Where's J. Lou at? Where's J. Lou at?
Get out. Get out.
Alright, y'all, I'm back at the house now, man. Hey, I didn't get an outro yesterday. Everything that was happening was just crazy, so I just got up out of there and went back to the house. Hope everybody got home
Hold
safe.
on, bro. That shit escalated. 1 second I was seeing dudes hooping. All of a sudden, niggas is, you know what I'm saying, bobbing and weaving. Matter of fact, well, not even that. Dude just got slammed. I know that hurt.
I was there,
Bro,
man.
what?
Any of this stuff was gonna happen. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button.
Shit, hell yeah, I liked it. That tough, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, stay safe. Indeed.